Hey.
Hey.
Up there.
Yeah, brother.
How's that feel?
Look, a grizzly bear and a Wolverine arm wrestling on top of a mountain, and I'm the referee.
That's for you later.
That was good. Look at the cool fools we got.
Nothing fair. I agree. How fast can we go?
I'd say we're doing good. I'd say we're doing great.
Oh, we haven't fallen through yet. Now, should I pull over for this guy?
You ready to freeze your nuts off? I know I am.
This marks the spot. My burbot buster. Little perch doer in there. That out. I'm gonna use this one and then I'll keep this out in case we start hitting burbot. And then we can just quickly swap on the fly.
Nice.
You can really dance. You win. We win. We win. We can really dance. What a coincidence. Want big fish, use big bait.
Hell yeah, you know what I mean?
So this, you're gonna just send it. Now, this doesn't look like it's tied on to the other end, so we may lose this. We're going to the bottom.
80 feet down.
Oh, like 30. What you know about rolling down in the deep? Set that. It's just like a trap. You hear that? Be my porch swing. So, your White Lightning Media pro tip of the day: put a layer in between your feet and the ice, or if you don't have a layer, Try not to keep your feet flat on the ice for too long at a time. Lift your feet up, let them warm up, get air in there. And that's your White Lightning Media pro tip of the day. There it is.
There we go.
It's a perch. It's gotta be a perch. Ooh. He's like pulling. This might be a bourbon. Oh yeah.
Yeah. There we go. That deal?
Yeah. Oh, I think I pulled a muscle.
Ooh.
Oh.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. Woo! Why are they lighting on fire? Okay, those are
She's a tad chilly. Well, I think it's a wrap for today. Well, what do you figure?
figure we got beat,
Yeah,
but I think we won at the same time.
that's right.
Yeah.
Time to go home.